Hi guys, angle grinders are versatile power tools that can handle a variety of projects, such as cutting iron pipe to replace a faulty valve, carving wood to craft furniture, cutting tile for a backsplash, and removing grout from between tiles. Interchangeable rotating discs, some made for cutting and others with an abrasive edge for grinding, can be swapped out based on the application. For safety, a guard sits between the disc and the handle to protect the operator. If you're ready to add this tool to your collection, read on for more on its capabilities and what to look for in the best angle grinder. Each of the top picks below was selected after an in-depth review of the market and thorough product vetting. So, let's get started. Number 10, 12V500W Mini Brushless Angle Grinder. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 58% price off. Now you can get it at around $36. Powerful motor, durable, low noise, suitable for angle grinders, easy to operate. Provide fast material removal, save your time and energy, suitable for bending work. Suitable for quick removal and shaping, especially in convex and concave areas. Can only be used for non-metal or non-metal materials, suitable for wood and other materials. Consists of hundreds of very sharp teeth, which can quickly remove sawdust and are more durable than hundreds of sandpaper pads. Applicable scenarios: indoor decoration, wall panel grooving, floor cutting, ceramic tile cutting, etc. Property maintenance, pipe cutting, equipment maintenance. Hydropower installation, PVC pipe cutting, daily maintenance. In transit, the carton may be slightly broken or the product will have slight scratches, which is normal. Please do not place an order if you mind. Thank you. The next is Number 9, Mini 12V Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 58% price off. Now you can get it at around $36. Looking for a powerful and portable angle grinder that can handle all your cutting and grinding needs? Check out our Mini 12V Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. This compact but powerful machine is designed to be used with a 12V lithium battery, making it a great choice for both home DIY projects and professional applications. With a maximum speed of 19,500 RPM, this angle grinder can handle a wide range of materials, including metal and wood. The brushless motor ensures a long lifespan and optimal performance, while the cordless design allows for maximum mobility and convenience. And with its lightweight and ergonomic design, you can work for extended periods without fatigue or discomfort. The next is Number 8, M10M14 Angle Grinder to Grooving Machine. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. Looking for an easy and cost-effective way to convert your angle grinder into a grooving machine or slotting machine? Check out our M10M14 Angle Grinder to Grooving Machine Adapter. This adapter allows you to easily modify your angle grinder into a slotting machine, making it perfect for cutting grooves or slots in a variety of materials. With its compatibility with both M10 and M14 angle grinders, this adapter can be used with a wide range of power tools. And with its ability to accommodate discs from 100mm to 230mm in size, this adapter is versatile enough to handle a variety of applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this adapter is a must-have tool for your toolkit. The next is Number 7, NuaColluxe Mini Grinder Machine. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $22. Durable and reliable, small volume, lightweight, easily carry, comfort grip handle, offers better control while drilling, convenient to use. 2. Regulating speed. This electric carving tool has 5 speed adjustment range, 3000, 6000, 9000, 1200, 1500 or min 4. With LED lights, it can be used in different environments. 5. Perfect grinder. Perfect electric grinder for cutting, engraving, milling, grinding, polishing, removing and drilling. The grinder engraving kit is necessary for DIY carving and grinding. 6. Suitable for jade agate, nuclear carving, wood carving, grinding, aluminum plate, thin copper board, plastic board, chipboard, printed circuit board, epoxy board. The next is Number 6, Depth Adjustable Angle Grinder. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $19. Looking for a versatile angle grinder bracket that can be easily adapted to suit your cutting and woodworking needs? Check out our Depth Adjustable Angle Grinder bracket. This bracket is designed to be used as a cutting machine accessory, with a guide ruler that allows for precise cuts and measurements. With its adjustable depth feature, you can easily control the depth of your cuts, making it perfect for woodworking and other precision cutting applications. And with its sturdy base, this angle grinder bracket can be used on a variety of surfaces, making it a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Invest in our depth adjustable angle grinder bracket today and take your cutting and woodworking projects to the next level with precision control and ease of use. The next is Number 5, 1-2 Battery Mini Angle Grinder. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 31% price off. Now you can get it at around $44. Looking for a powerful and portable angle grinder that can handle all your cutting and polishing needs? Check out our 1-2 Battery Mini Angle Grinder. This compact but powerful machine is designed to be used with a 1-2 battery, making it a great choice for both home DIY projects and professional applications. With its spare resin grinding wheel disc, you can switch between different grits to achieve the perfect finish. The electric angle grinder is perfect for cutting and polishing metal, stone, and other materials. And with its lightweight and ergonomic design, you can work for extended periods without fatigue or discomfort. Invest in our 1-2 Battery Mini Angle Grinder today and experience the convenience and power of a top-of-the-line electric angle grinder. The next is Number 4, SHENHAOXU 12V Mini Angle Grinder. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 27% price off. Now you can get it at around $35. Adopts brushless motor which does not generate sparks when it is working, and the motor does not wear, can provides long service time. 19500 RPM high rotation speed for reliable and productive work. High speed, high efficiency with low noise, with fine durability. Easy to swap grinding discs with the humanized design spindle lock. Conform to human engineering handle design, one-hand operation, convenient side toggle switch for easy grasping and use. Thickened baffle design reduces workpiece debris splashing into the machine, makes it more safer, and can effectively prolong the service life of the machine. You can easy adjustment of the protective cover without having to use tools. The next is Number 3, Depth Adjustable Angle Grinder Bracket. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 51% price off. Now you can get it at around $27. Looking for a versatile angle grinder bracket that can be easily modified to suit your needs? Check out our Depth Adjustable Angle Grinder Bracket. This bracket features an adjustable base that allows for precise depth control when using your angle grinder. Whether you're working on a DIY project or a professional job, this bracket makes it easy to achieve the perfect angle and depth. And with its ability to be modified, you can easily adapt this bracket to suit a variety of tools, including chainsaws. This makes it a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to get the most out of their power tools. Invest in our Depth Adjustable Angle Grinder Bracket today and take your DIY and professional projects to the next level with precision control and ease of use. The next is Number 2, Brushless Angle Grinder Suit M14 125mm. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 27% price off. Now you can get it at around $44. Looking for a high-performance angle grinder that can handle cutting, polishing, and grinding tasks with ease? Look no further than our Brushless Angle Grinder. This machine is designed to suit M14 125mm discs and can reach up to 10,000 RPM, making it a powerful tool for a variety of applications. With its brushless motor and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this angle grinder delivers long-lasting performance and maximum power. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this angle grinder is perfect for tackling tough jobs. And with its cutting-edge design, you can enjoy precision control and a comfortable grip for extended use. The next is Number 1, WOSAI M14 Cordless Angle Grinder. This cordless angle grinder is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $107. Looking for a powerful and versatile cordless angle grinder to tackle your grinding and cutting tasks? Check out the WOSAI M14 Cordless Angle Grinder. With a 20V lithium-ion battery, this grinding machine provides plenty of power to get the job done. Its brushless motor ensures a longer lifespan and more efficient operation, while the cutting and grinding capabilities make it a must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The M14 spindle thread allows for easy attachment of a variety of accessories, making this angle grinder a versatile addition to your toolkit. And with its cordless design, you won't have to worry about being tethered to an outlet or struggling with tangled cords. So this is the best option for you to buy.